everybody, it's Brad at Deere Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Going to do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this 2020 John Deere 2032R that came in and we're putting up for sale. Like always, I'll walk around, I'll talk about the features and functions. I'll get up close to everything, show everything I see, talk about everything that I know, and then of course we'll fire it up, kind of run it through its paces, show you that there's not much play up here in the front, show you that the backhoe's nice and strong, let you hear the engine. As always, if you are in the market for a used tractor, a used piece of farm equipment, or a used piece of construction equipment, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Your likes and subscriptions help other people who are looking for machines find our videos and find our machines, and we truly do appreciate it. All right, like I said, this one's a 2020 John Deere 2032R. As you can see, it is OROPS, four-wheel drive, John Deere 220R front loader with a John Deere quick attach. Does have the 270B backhoe attachment, hydro transmission, R4 tires. This one does have mid-mount PTO. Of course, these are 32 horse. Like I said, John Deere style quick attach up here. We'll show you here in a little bit. Not much play up here in the front, fairly tight. As you can see, green paint's pretty bright. Loader's pretty straight. A little bit of a jag there in that one decal, but pretty darn straight. Front tire definitely has life left in it there. I'm gonna say it's probably 40% or so on tread life. That front rim's in decent shape. Coming around here, a couple little scratches on this fender right there. The rear tire has lots of life left. I'm gonna say it's better than the front. It's probably a good 50%, maybe a little better even. I think I'm being pretty fair there. Rear rim's in good shape, nice and bright yellow paint. Back part of that fender looks pretty decent. Maybe just a touch of faded paint right there. Looking at the backhoe here, everything looks pretty good on this. I'm not seeing anything out of the ordinary. Bucket's pretty straight. I don't see any cracks or welds anywhere or plating on the backhoe. It's actually pretty straight. A couple little scratches right here. Again, nothing out of the ordinary for a used backhoe. Seat back here's got a couple little spots where it's cracked. A couple on that side as well. This fender looks pretty good over here. This rear tire matches up really well to the other side. Lots of tread life left there. Nice and bright yellow rim. This fender looks pretty darn good. As you can see here, paint's pretty bright. A couple little scratches right here and here. Nothing to, again, out of the ordinary for a used compact tractor, but again, I don't see any cracks or welds on the loader arms anywhere. Everything looks pretty good down there. We'll take a look at the bucket. Bucket looks nice and straight. I don't really see any bows or anything there in the bucket. No big dents or dings there. A little bit of paint chipped off down here. They have added this D-ring plate here. A couple small scratches there on the grill guard and a couple up here on the front of the hood. Got this, I've already got the hood cracked open so I could pop it open, show you everything in here. Everything looks pretty good in here. Radiator fins look good. That cooler fins look good there. Pretty clean and dry on the top. A little bit of dust, but I don't see any diesel or oil running down the side or up top here. I'll go to the side here and we'll see what we can see. You can't see a lot on these compacts here on the sides, especially with this camera setup. I can't really get close to it on these new ones with these shields here. Yeah, I doubt you'll be able to see much in there, but fairly dry. I don't see any oil or diesel running down the side of the block. Looks good from up here. I'll go to the other side. Again, you can't see much from down here, but everything looks pretty clean and dry on the side of the block and everything down here. Take a look at the operator station. Steps in good shape. That rubber floor mat's in good shape. No cuts or tears here. Brake pedals are in really good shape. The seat's in good shape. I don't see any cuts or tears there in the seat. Both armrests are present. A little bit of a cut starting there on that one. That one's decent. Hydro pedals look good. Everything over here, loader controls. Dash all looks good. There, if you can see that, 587.5 hours. Couple little scratches here. Alright, like I said, it's a 2020 John Deere 2032R. I'll get that hood shut and we'll fire it up and get right into an operational video.